Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully update our, that means I successfully customize our login page. So right now we are using our theme login page. So friend, here one things I also want to share with you, right, we will create one of the total ERP software. Okay, so you do the ERP software. First of all, I want to do when any user redirected to our home page, and with the home page I want to load our this login, not this page. Okay, because of all, first of all, this user I want to make it as a login page. So if you want to change it, I think you already know what exactly the things you have to do. So by default, when you logging with our back home, if you go to our home route, so to the home route, you can see it's now loaded on the view page as a this one. That means the welcome. Welcome means it's redirected to our view, into the view that is actually welcome blade. So now I want to change it. I want to load our this auth and this logging. Okay, that means that is actually our logging. If you go to our logging route, you can see that is actually the logging route. So logging route means this page actually into the auth, and then that is our logging, right? So now I want to change it. I make it as a first of all as a auth, and then it will be as a logging. So that will be as a logging page. So right now this page will be loaded when any user use that our home directory. So now let's check this out. If you now go to our home directory, yes, you can see first of all it's now loaded our logging page. So from the logging, if you click as a sign in, now you can able to use our dashboard. Perfect. So to the dashboard area, first of all friend, here I don't want to actually add this one. Whatever the things will be needed, I will add it for our project. So right now I want to reduce some of the unnecessary things. First of all, I want to update our sidebar. Right now I don't need this master header. I just close everything. So if you go to our admin with the body into the sidebar, here there is a dashboard. I only want to take two of these. Okay, there's a pages. I don't want to use it. So that is our application, the mailbox. So that is a mailbox and the pages. So I don't need these pages. I remove this li. Okay, I simply remove this li. I click the save all, refresh it. Yeah, it's now gone. And only here I only want to add one menu. Rest of this I want to remove it from here. That is our user interface. One of the, you can see that is actually user interface. So I want to do, that is our component. So that is the component ul li. Okay, so I only want to take one, that is this one, and rest of this as a card. So that is a card. So every menu I want to actually remove it from here. That is a li. I just simply remove everything. There is a extra, there is a level 1, there is a logout. So I remove it, click the save all, and now refresh it. Yeah, you can see everything is now totally gone. There's a component, and then the component there is so many button, right? So here I also, there is our main menu, application. So the component I don't want to load all that menu. So there is a component here. I remove it. Okay, the save all, and also we don't need this li. For the logout I remove it. The save all, I want to make it actually clean, then it should be better. Yeah, you can see that is actually the component, right? So now that is our component is loaded. So literally whatever the menu will be needed, I will create and add this menu in particular that area. Okay friends, so that's all. And that is our sidebar footer. So that is actually the sidebar footer. If you want to remove it, you can remove it from to this position. Perfect. And then in our header, that means that is actually our main content part, right? So content part I am actually loaded our content part in our index blade, right? Remember, so into the admin here I have loaded our main content part. Every time our this part will be loaded. So that is our admin, and here into the index. So you can see that actually the new customer, that is actually the new customer. So here I want to only take 4. Rest 2 of this I want to remove it. And here you can see there is a call to 6. So I want to make it as a call 3, then it will be actually 12. So that is actually one section, and there is another one, call 6, there is another one. So I want to take as a 1. That is our another 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to take 4, and rest of this I want to remove it. So that will be the rest of this 4s I want to do, and to remove it. Okay, and to remove it. And now let's check this out. Click the save all. Now if you refresh it, yeah, you can see there's 2 of these gone. So right now I want to update it. That's call 2. I want to make it as a right now call 3. Okay, that will be as a call 3, call 3.6, call 3.6, and then call 3.6. Now click the save all. Now click the refresh. Yeah, it's now perfect. So that is the things that you want to do. So now it's perfect. And also here, new Laravel. I only take this new Laravel. Rest of this, there is the latest post, the recent stars. I don't need this actually. Okay, so after this, there is actually another one, right? So that is our average, not this one. So that is our inbound call, and the earnings summary. You can see there is a earnings summary. So right now I want to minimize it. I minimize it, and here I remove it, and there is another one. I minimize it, I remove it, minimize it, and here also remove it, and that is our latest post. So that is actually the latest post. I also want to remove it. So that is the latest post, and there is the latest recent status. Also remove it, and the new Laravel. So that is a new Laravel I want to take. Okay, so now everything should be gone. Now click as a save all. Now if you refresh it, yeah, perfect. So now it's actually clean, right? So now perfect. So that is our main part, and that is our new Laravel. So that is our new Laravel, all that post. So that is our new Laravel, and that is actually new Laravel post is visible. Okay, and also they have some of the images. If you want to update that image, you can update it. So right now it's okay with me. So later when will be needed, I will do that work. So perfect. So right now I see actually to make this clean unnecessary file of everything, I just remove it. Perfect. So everything is working. That is our full screen. Full screen is also working. That is our script working. The notification is working. Search option is working, right? So everything is great. So here, friend, we successfully complete that part. So right now, step by step, we will create one complete school management ERP software. Okay, I hope you will enjoy it very much, and this course will be a little bit advanced course because so a lot of the things you will going to learn. So I hope you are so excited to build this project. So in our next video, I want to discuss about our user portion. Into the user, I have already add one of the users. So how can I insert some of the user, how can read this user, and how can manage a user everything from your backend. So step by step, I will show you with the live example. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.